is really working well. Look at it spin. Alright, our weather station is working. Oh yeah, go ahead. See? Whoa! You can feel the wind. Okay guys, so today we are doing an extremely interesting thing. We are going to build what, Hamza?
Weather station.
A weather station. Now we've got a book. It says build a weather station, and we've got all the things ready. And in this box we have a surprise, right? What is in this box, Hamza? Can you tell everyone what is in this box?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Where did you find this surprise?
At home.
At home. Okay, let's open the box and show everyone what is inside. Okay, Hamza is opening the box slowly because he's got a surprise. And oh, what is that? Hello, Mr. Spider. This is a jumping spider that is found in Southeast Asia. And he's just hanging around there. We're going to let him go later on in the garden. Once we go down, it stops raining. Right, Hamza? Can't keep the spider around. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to build a weather station. Now, according to this book, we need a couple of things here, okay? So the first thing we're going to make is anemometer, right? So we need scissors, 5 3-ounce paper cups, straws, staplers, straight pin, and a pencil with an eraser. So that is what we're going to do. And
we don't have a stapler.
I think we should have a stapler. So we'll figure this out and we'll get building on our new weather station. But first, we need to get a box. So let's find the box. Okay, what do we need to do first?
Cut off the sides.
Okay.
This is not good.
Yeah, we're going to cut off the sides and then we're going to put some tape around the box to make it a bit stronger so it can hold the weather station, because this is something like what we want to build. So we're going to build this one first and then we're going to do the rest. So let's get started with opening up this box and cutting off the edges first. I'm going to cut along the edges here like this. Okay, so that's one flap gone. Maybe we keep this, maybe we might need a spare or something. And then we do this part.
Ow, ow. Yay! I'm the USA man. Yeah.
Okay, let's cut this off. Alright, and then we do this one here. Got a nice box here. There's the glue gun thing. Okay, so now we're going to tape this up and make the box stronger. Alright, so we're going to get some tape. I'm going to tape the edges here.
I thought I'm going to do it.
Oh yeah, you're going to do it. Exactly. So you're going to put the tape for me, okay?
We don't have a thermometer like this.
I think we can get one from somewhere.
Yeah, we need it.
Box like that. Just give it like more strength. Okay, so
I think this one is duct tape. Do you think?
I think it's a bit of duct tape. Yeah, press it down. Yeah. Alright. Okay.
I think the side's over here. Not pretty sure.
Cut this off. Okay. There you go. Kind of strong. There's, I think inside here is a bit loose, so we need some tape inside here. Maybe one tape just across like this.
Yeah, until duct tape.
Yeah, something like that. Okay, here we go. Down, down, down. Tape is going down. Down, down, down. Tape is going down.
Okay, I think you can cut
you
it
can
right
cut it.
there.
Cut it right there.
Go hard.
Righto. Righto. Right. So here's our weather station box. Done. Right. Now let's get started with the anemometer.
Alright.
Okay guys, so what we need to do is got a cup here. We're gonna put a hole. We're gonna put a hole through this thing and then it goes inside there. And then we might glue the inside here with the hot glue gun to kind of put it in place. So I'll show you how that works. So I think we need to, I think we need to measure the width where it is going to be the hole.
There's a charger, so I think I need to go all the way over there.
What? What is that?
No, there's a charger, so if you connect it, it has to go all the way over there.
Yeah, of course. Well, I mean, first we've got to do the hole, then we get to do the glue gun thing. Okay, so let's do the first one. I think you better start with the drilling of the hole thing. Alright, so Hamza is going to show you how to drill the hole with the pencil so that we get... Yep, right. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yep, some more. Yep, you got to go straight. Keep it straight like that. And now turn. Turn this.
Okay.
Rotate it. Yeah, yeah. Okay, looks good, man. Okay, perfect.
Oh, got inside.
Super.
Alright, take it out.
Let's pull it out. Yank it out there. Alright, so now show them how to do the straw.
This one's perfect size.
Yep, it's perfect size. Okay.
So
now,
I think we need to drill another hole.
so now what we need to do is we need to get the glue gun. So keep it straight, and we're gonna glue gun to kind of like get this fixed up. Okay, so we've got the glue gun ready. You gotta keep this thing straight as possible, and we'll try to use the glue gun and see what happens if we can get it to work. Come on, Mr. Glue Gun. Are you going in? Some issue. Okay, so looks kind of straight. I gotta test whether this glue gun is gonna work now or not. Huh, that's very strange. Why isn't this glue gun even working? Alright, so now I think we've got the glue out and working, so we can put some glue here. Yeah, put it a bit there. Put some here.
Wait, does it dry very fast?
Yeah, it dries pretty fast.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got it a bit secure there, and a bit here. Okay, so we've got,
I think
it's quite stable here. It's kind of like ready to dry here, and I think we should be good to go. Just maybe a bit more glue here. Okay.
This glue's gone.
So it's kind of, see, it's kind of straight. I just adjust it so it's straight and stable. So let's wait for this to dry. And what we'll do is, you got to catch these threads. And inside, maybe we just put a bit more glue here, kind of like to fix it inside the two parts there. So it kind of like fits
I like how it
neatly into that area right there, so everything is secure.
Be careful. It will dry very fast, and
Yep.
then after that, if you put your finger very fast,
So-
that means it's stuck.
Exactly, so this is how it's gonna be. Got the glue there. Yep, I think everything is secure, man. Right, good. First part done. Now we do the other parts. Okay, so the first part is done. Repeat to flatten the edge. We have to repeat steps 2 and 3 with a second cup and straw. So we've got to do this. We already have a cup ready, I think. Right, we've already done one here. Put the straw in, sir.
Okay, sir. With straw.
That straw. Oh man, Hamza, you gotta do it slowly, man. You're gonna spoil the thing. Okay, so back to the glue gun.
4 holes.
Okay, so these are the 2 cups. Now step number 5 is take a third cup, use scissors to make 4 holes. Okay, equally around the cup. 5th hole about. Alright, no problem. No problem. Let's do it. Okay, so now we have made the 4 hole with the cup. And we've got to make this kind of diagram. Alright, Mr. Hamza, let's get started. Give me the cup here. We gotta put the cup in the middle. Okay, now you gotta help me follow the diagram and put the straws in the hole. Yeah, correct. Woo, man. Oh no. Well, you gotta do it slowly, sir.
You didn't even drill proper holes.
You gotta keep it slowly in there. See, like that. Okay, maybe Maybe I didn't make the hole too big. I should have made it a bit bigger. Alright. That should do it. So, which is the direction of the cup? Let's see. Okay, so if this is like this, so here we go. Alright. Okay.
Hey.
Woo! That's great.
But it needs to go
So you
all
need-
the way to the other side.
Right, so we need so if this looks like it's facing here, then the other side we do the other way, right? Okay, after a bunch of fiddling, I think we've managed to get the first part correct like this. So yeah, basically now it's very easy. All we need to do is take two other cups, okay, and then kind of drill the hole and then keep it like this, so we
Just go
form
to the other side.
a shape. Yeah, so I think we need to get a hole here that goes through and another one that goes through like that.
I can do it.
Okay, so Hamza has got to drill the other hole. So basically for the other ones, the other two cups, you just need to drill a hole and it'll attach on these things over here. So that's what you're doing. You gotta hold it gently and poke it. Yep, slowly. Exactly that. So Hamza is learning to become a meteorologist. So he's doing meteorology right now, making his own first weather station. How do you feel about it? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited to test it out. It's light rain, so later it's gonna be heavy.
Yeah, but you gotta like make sure you concentrate what you're doing because you have a very sharp pencil there. Okay, is it in?
Yep.
Alright, now do the next one. I'll help you with the next cup.
You can use
Okay, so now we've got the structure done. So
pencil time.
I think the straws needed to have been a bit longer, but never mind. We're just gonna use some glue gun to kind of like fix the spots in, and then we can try to see if it works, if it rotates, and then we can see how that works.
Okay.
Okay guys, we have managed to work the wind vane. Now we're going to test it out. The anemometer. It's a low wind first. Alright, this is a low wind. Wow, look at it go! And a high wind. Oh, this is crazy. Oh man, hey, where are you going?
Let's see.
Hey buddy, come here man.
It's still not stable. It's going to the side.
It's okay, I'll adjust it later. Okay, hold on, let me adjust. We did some minor adjustments, so now we have come here Hamza. Okay, closer. Okay, so now we're going to see if light wind conditions. Alright, this is the light wind condition, so there isn't much wind. And then suddenly, the EF5 tornado comes. And it goes crazy. Look at it go crazy. Oh my god! This is the coolest thing ever. Oh, it's still holding.
Not good.
Oh man, okay, don't worry, we'll fix it. Hold on. Okay, looks like we got it wrong the first time. It's supposed to be, the pencil is supposed to go this way, not the other way. So we have changed things around and we're going to try it one more time and see how it works. So you can see that now the pencil goes through the bottom part of the cup. It's not supposed to go through here. Okay, so we have made the adjustment and alright, hold it straight and alright, look, a bit lower. Okay, so now we're going to get a bit of normal wind. That's a bit of normal wind right there. Okay.
Higher.
Okay, and then now if it goes higher. Oh wow, that is really working well. Look at it spin. Job completed. Project 1 done. Okay, so we have completed it. I just think we need a sharper needle at the end. I used a bit of hot glue to create that structure. And now we are going to go outside and test it out and see if we can catch the wind. Catch the wind. So, wind catcher. Be careful, Hamza, how you open the door.
Okay.
Come, let's go.
I don't know if it's working perfectly.
Make it a bit higher, I think.
It's still not catching wind.
Here we are. Aha, see?
Oh. Wind is going through that way. It's doing it.
Alright, our weather station is working.
Let me try.
Oh yeah, go ahead. See? Whoa! You can feel the wind.
You can get the penguin.
Hold it. Oh wow!
It's moving. It's moving. It's a bit hard. Oh, it's getting more wind.
What do you think the wind speeds are like, sir?
Well, I think wind's coming that way, not there. Let's go try this.
Alright.
Downstairs, maybe?
Downstairs? Well, the wind is usually upstairs, right? You can feel the wind from here. Try here.
Let's try here.
Yeah. Ooh, I can feel the wind here going.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Oh, here he goes. Hold on, here he comes.
okay. It should go the other way. It's weird. It should go the other way.
There you go.
Alright. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, that's a whole family.
So we're going to go and see Hamza trying out the anemometer.
Good, I can't really get. Alright. I think we got some.
You should go near the corridor here.
We
This
got some evidence.
you got evidence of wind, is it?
Yep.
Okay, that's good.
It's weird. It's good.
Well, I put it up here. I can feel it. There you go. Wow, see, almost instantly it's working. So this shows you the speed of the wind. Right, how fast the wind is going. Wow, how do you like your own project you made?
It's good.
I think we've got so many other projects to do. We've got 3 more.
Not working so bad. It's good.
Good, it's good, alright. Okay guys, we're going to take a break and we'll be back for the next project that we're going to do, which is going to be another one
Yep, of this.
for the weather station, and then
Yeah.
finally we're going to
And it's quite
put it all
easy,
together.
so it will like be very fast.
It's quite easy, right? How was the experience making it?
It's
Was it
fun.
difficult?
I will catch some different ones.
Okay, you go and so he's going to have fun enjoying with this thing for a while, and I can get to chill out for a bit.